40 minutes.
We gotta go. Next question.
The other one.
Okay,
the
wait,
other
but
one
also,
kinda
is that formula not on the formula sheet?
No, it doesn't look like it.
That's an important one. We should probably write that down.
What was
You
it again?
can't have notes.
But we can't have notes, so what are we supposed to do?
fail.
Try me.
I
for
guess just
wanting
write it
to-
down and hope that
Try
it
me.
can help remember
Try-
it.
try
That
me.
one's not that bad, at least.
What was it again?
I'm not gonna remember it though.
Price equals face value over 1 plus YTM raised to N. It's in the chat.
Is
There's so many of those, though.
How am I going to remember this? I don't know. Sounds like a you problem, bud. Sorry.
Yeah,
Literally.
because there's all those ones with growth rate later on, and I don't see any growth rate in this.
Don't worry. We'll just all fail so they know there's a problem.
Yeah,
No,
and they'll be like,
literally.
well,
Shit. I mean, you pay for the class.
it's not my job.
Okay, so that's how you do 6. It's got a straightforward, easy formula. You just don't have it. Also, the question's wrong. So, question number 7. What is the coupon rate of an 8-year, $10,000 bond with semi-annual coupons and a price of $9,006.68? How do you say that? It's money. If it has a yield to maturity of 6.5%. John, you got another formula for me?
I have one that I wrote down for the coupon payment, but I don't know if that would work. I guess you could move it around. Let me see.
I really hate this.
Yeah. Okay, so 9,006 should be the face value, correct? Or no, that's the price.
That's
the
the
price.
price.
The face value is 10,000, right?
That is the those are the coupon payments.
No. It's a $10,000 bond
Dollar bond. Okay.
Yeah.
with semi-annual coupons. So there's 16.
Oh, so right now it costs 9,006 whatever dollars, and in the
Oh,
future
okay.
it's gonna be worth $10,000
1,000. Yeah.
after 8 years.
So what is the coupon rate? Not the yield of maturity, but the coupon rate.
If we're supposed to find coupon rate, shouldn't we have coupon payments?
Right. Oh, okay. So I'm looking at the solutions right now, and first we solve for the payment, and then we solve for the rate.
Why does he do this?
How,
Like,
Well, he can do it because we
I-
know that these all came from like 2013. So
I have a
Right.
better question. How do you do that?
That's true.
So we input that
Oh.
information as regular solve for payment on the calculator, or
yeah, I think we just use the TVM for it because we have the PVF so we have PVFE
Oh, okay. I get it.
and we're looking for the payments.
Yeah. Okay. So future value is 10. Yeah, you go into
TVM.
TVM solver, and it's gonna be-
semi-annual.
yeah. So that means if it's 8 years, that means total is 16 for N.
so
Also, since it's semi-annual, that means that you have to divide your 0.65 by 2, or your 6.5 by 2. So that'd be, hold on, 3.25 for the interest rate.
oh shit, you right.
And then, let's see, is it future value?
Okay, cool. Oh, I totally got not the correct answer for payment.
oh no.
That's awesome.
Yeah, future value is 10,000. And you solve for payment. And that's not right.
Right? That's what I just said.
Did you get 486?
Let me I just changed out my PV to see if that would help, but I just
What did you put in for PV?
I said the 9,006 because that's what we paid right now. Oh, is it negative
It
9,006?
says right here that you don't need to put, for his solution, it says there's no present value. You don't need to find it.
Well, I did it with a 0 present value, and I still did not get the
Yeah.
answer. So
It says right here, using a $10,000 future value, periods to maturity 16, and discount rate of 3.25, you should get 244 for a payment.
maybe it's one of those
But
ones
it's
where
asking us for the coupon rate. But we gotta find the payment.
We have to
first.
find the payment first, yeah.
Not bad.
And what did y'all get for payment when y'all did it?
I got 486, but it should be 244.
I got 486
I
too.
got
Why do
486
you
as
keep
well.
saying end?
Hmm?
I don't know what I'm doing wrong.
I'm sad.
No, we're all doing something wrong.
Yeah.
I'm sad.
Periods to maturity is 16. That should be N, right?
Yeah.
Oh.
So you said it should be how much? 486.40?
244.
No.
That's what I
That's
got,
what we
but that's
got, but that's
not what it's
wrong.
supposed to be. It's supposed to be 244. Oh, wait, what?
Oh, why?
244. Mm-hmm. We don't get that.
I mean, if we divide our answer by 2, that's what we get.
Yeah.
Do you leave it at 8?
And right here, he multiplies it by 2 to get 488.
I'm sorry. What?
Okay.
Hold on.
Okay.
It might have to do with the fact that it's coupon rate for 8 years and it's semi-annual coupons.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe you do it by 8 first. I don't know. Maybe we're skipping a step. I don't know. I don't know what's going on. I don't want to do this. I quit. I'm dropping out. I'm going to be not hot enough to be a stripper.
my plan B is to be a bartender.
It's the military. That's what. God, stupid.
Military or bartender. Those are the two options.
Well, if you're not hot enough to be a stripper and you're a dude, you go to the military. I mean, it's.
Okay.
I
Keep
guess that makes
Not
sense
wrong.
with us dividing it by 2.
Okay, I still did 8 years and I got the 486.40. So
But divided by 2.
Yeah, but why did he multiply his by 2?
And then
Ooh.
how did he get $488 and he changed it to 4.888 coupon rate?
What?
I don't
Did
know.
he divide it by the 10,000?
Wait, hold
10,000?
on. Okay, guys, I figured it out. So the reason we
Oh.
were multiplying by 2 is because we were doing semi-annuals and yield to maturity is annually.
Yeah.
So multiply by 2, and then we'll plug in the 488.8 for the payment and solve for the IY, which is the coupon rate. Okay, let's see if that works.
Okay, so we do use our 488?
Yes. Oh.
that's not a confident no.
Did anyone else get an error?
Okay, let's start from the top, right?
Yeah.
Are we
Eh.
using 8 or 16 for the number of periods?
Oh,
16.
16.
Okay, so 16 for the number of periods. It's 3.25 then
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
for the percentage. Present value we don't mess with. Future
Yeah.
value of 10,000.
Yeah.
Right.
Calculate for the payment. I
Right.
got my 486.40 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
The fuck am I doing now?
Right.
I don't know if it's important, but if you get the 486 and divide it by the 10,000 bond, it gets 4.88%. Or 4.86%, which is kind of close to 4.88. I don't know if that's right, but it's
wait, what's the present value?
I don't know. I don't know if we're supposed to find present value. I would assume it's 9,006 because that makes sense. Like
Oh, wait, so we didn't. Okay, got it.
I
'Cause
didn't
put
use
in
it.
a present value.
Maybe you're supposed to round up. Or, I don't know, but
Oh, no. That's right. I'm looking on Check, and what they did was after they found that value, they multiplied it by 2 and then divided it by the future value to
Mhm.
get the rate.
Yeah, and so we got, I think he went back. I think he went forward a step, then he went back a step, then he went forward again. Because he didn't need to multiply by 2 if he already took into account that it's semi-annual. Because he
Right.
already did that for the years. So we got 16. We multiplied it by 2, and then we also divided by 2 for 6.5. So I don't think we need to multiply by 2. That's why we got the 486 or 488 instead of 244.
And then we just take that and divide it by the future value to get the coupon rate.
The
I
486 we
I
do?
think so. Yeah,
Yeah, that's what I'm seeing here on my screen.
that's what it looks like. And you get 0.486, which is pretty close to 0.488, which seems like it might just be a rounding thing. I don't know, but
What?
it seems like it because
No, like, can you show me your calculator?
okay. So let me see. I
I
did.
don't have one.
Yeah.
Like, tell me what you did for N in the I and PV and whatever.
I did 16 for N, 3.25 for interest,
Okay.
10,000 for future value, and I got the 486 for payment, which I think a lot of y'all got that before, right?
Right.
Yeah. I don't think we have to multiply that by 2 or anything. It's already taken into account semi-annually because we took that into account for N and I.
Okay.
So I think you take 486, or I think maybe he rounded it up weird to 488, or maybe there's something like that. You just take that and divide it by 10,000, the future value, and you get 0.0486, which would be
Oh,
4.86%, which is really close to that. I think maybe there's just some weird rounding or something because it's 0.002% off, so it's really close.
okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why you would divide your payments by your future value though.
Yeah, I don't either.
I don't know why we're doing most of this, but
Same. I'm not using any of this in my life.
cool. Great job, guys. We got the answer.
This better be the hard version. If
the test is anywhere near this hard and there's 33 questions, granted we're on the back 40-minute set now, we're screwed.
at least 25% of them are conceptual, which also are kind of weird.
Conceptual of what though?
Yeah.
Literally, we don't talk about concepts at all.
To be honest, I'd highly recommend looking through those what are those that slideshow that he has like for each chapter. It's kind of an overload of information because there's too much there. But if you just kind of skim through it, it kind of there's like stuff in bold and there's formulas and that stuff's kind of helpful. That
Oh,
helped me
like
with
the
the last one.
review?
Yeah.
No, not the review. He has like slides that he makes or that he has for each chapter, and they're in
Oh, that he
modules.
reads off of in class?
I think they're the same. I don't know. They might be different, but I like if you just kind of skip through a lot of them and you look through formulas and stuff in bold, it'll help, I guess, a little bit. It'll have important stuff. I don't know.
Word. I am loving this
But
class.
anyway, y'all want to start on question 8?
So number 8.
I'm sorry if y'all hear that train in the background.
Oh, I
Oh,
have
it's
a
okay.
train passing by too.
I
Same.
also have
I'm
a
literally
train
2 minutes
passing
away
by.
from the train. I can see it right there.
Wow.
Where are y'all at?
I'm at Gateway.
I'm at the forum.
The Oaks of Denton.
Oh, I have a friend who lives at the Oaks.
That's all right.
Y'all are by the train. Denton is just one long train horn.
All the time. All the
Literally
time.
constantly. I like
How
never
delayed the sound is how close you know you are to it.
Okay.
There it is.
Y'all must.
All right, Noah, are you gonna read it?
Okay, so number 8, the company has a bond outstanding with a face value of $5,000 that reaches maturity in 8 years. The bond certificate indicates that the stated coupon rate for the bond is 8.2%. That coupon payments.
I can't hear you at all.
Yeah, I was about to say no. I think you cut out, and you were sounding kind of far away.
Okay. Let me try that again?
Yeah, there's nothing. I see your mouth.
I'm not muted.
Oh no.
What is
Guys, it's Mercury retrograde. I just like, maybe astrology is correct.
For real. Just gets up and leaves.
Bueno? Almost off? What the fuck?
I heard that.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can barely hear you.
What is the deal? Okay, hold on. I hate this fucking computer.
And now you're completely silent. I have to go pee while you go.
Ah!
While we fix this.
Oh, I can hear you.
Oh,
Now.
wait.
We can hear you.
Okay, can you hear me? Is it normal?
It's not normal,
It's
but I
not
can hear
normal.
you. I hear the train.
Oh,
Sorry.
it's clear now. It left
Conduit
me.
calls. I hate so much. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you though. It's fine.
Yeah.
Okay, I don't know what's going on. I hate this program. So, this company is an outstanding bond with a face value of $5,000 that reaches maturity in 8 years. The bond certificate indicates that the stated coupon rate for this bond is 8.2% and that the coupon payments are to be made semi-annually. Assuming the bond trades for $4,541.53, then the year 2 maturity for this bond is closest to what percentage?
Okay, there has to be a formula for this.
Didn't we just
think
write
it-
that formula down?
There's
Yeah.
one that's yield to maturity of a coupon bond, and it should be that. Oh, that one. Wait, where'd it go?
Where?
Bond, the CPN times 1/y times 1 minus. Yeah, I have that written down as yield to maturity of a coupon bond.
That's pretty fucking stupid.
And I
Yes,
don't.
it
Yeah,
is.
that's a really big one. I don't.
Yeah.
What's y? Is it yield? No, it's.
No.
What other numbers did it give us?
So we have the face value reaching maturity at like what in what years? The coupon rate, the payments, bond
Hmm.
trade.
Okay, I'm looking it up.
Can we reverse engineer the price formula?
That's what I was thinking.
This is question
But we don't
8,
have
right?
a price.
Yeah, it's question 8.
Oh, wait. You use the TVM solver. It looks like. Yeah.
What? How?
Where's 410?
410?
Yeah, where is that?
It's not
You
there.
see that number?
Yeah, I see it on the solution side.
Oh, I got it. It's 0.082, which is the coupon rate times the future value. That's how you find your coupon payments.
Oh, gross.
Wait, what?
Huh?
Okay, so to find how much your coupon payments are, you multiply your coupon rate by your future value. So 8.2% times 5,000. But since they're semi-annual, you divide that by 2 and you get 205 for your payment.
Awesome. Now what?
So let's see. We've got
Oh.
yeah. So our payment, what we agree is 205. Our future value is given as 5,000. Our our number of periods is 16 because what? It's 8 years and it's semi-annual. And our present value is 4,541.53 because that says what we can trade for now. So I guess it says that would be negative. I don't know why that would be, but
So did you say the periods were 8 or 16?
16. Yeah, and so you have to compute your interest rate, which is 4.9%, which you multiply by 2 because it's semi-annual for 9.8% yearly, or 9.9%.
Oh my gosh, what is happening?
Okay.
Okay,
I can
so-
kind of get that.
Okay, so in the TVM solver, let's see. I have 16 for N because you have 8 years and it's semi-annual payments. That means it's going to be
Right.
16. For present value, it's going to be negative 4,541 and 53 cents. It says assuming that this bond trades for that amount. That's the amount that you could sell it for or buy it, or that's the amount that you bought it for now in the
Okay.
present. Your payments are going to be 205 because that is your coupon rate times your face value.
Divided by the payments.
Divided by 2 because it's semi-annual. Yeah. And then 5,000 is your future value. So if you put all those in your TVM solver and you solve for interest rate, you get 4.94. And since that's for semi-annual and you're trying to find the yield to maturity, which is in yearly, you multiply it by 2 because it's semi-annual and you get 9.9.
Okay, gotcha.
Really weird. Do y'all want me to go over that again if you want to try to put it in the TVM solver?
Just really quickly, can you go over getting the payment again? What y'all do?
For payment, okay, so if your coupon rate is 8.2%,
Yeah.
that is 8.2% of 5,000 because the bond has a face value of 5,000. So you
Mhm.
multiply that by it, that's your coupon rate yearly. But since it's semi-annual coupons that you get, you divide it by 2, and you'll get 205 for semi-annual coupon payments.
Gotcha. Thank you.
Okay, cool. Yeah, that makes sense. It was just more so a thing of finding the coupon payment and then just plugging everything in.
Yeah, that's probably the toughest thing. That's something that we probably really have to look out for on this test is a lot of it is in different terms. So some of them are in yearly terms, some of them are in semi-annual, monthly, quarterly. So you have to make sure that you change that when you're calculating it, if you change it back, if it's asking for yearly. So
It's just a surprise every time. Have fun with it, really.
yeah, it's weird. I guess just make sure to look out for stuff like, okay, this is
What
paid
bullshit is
semi-annual.
he throwing at me?
Yeah, semi-annually. That means 2, quarterly 4, monthly 12. So yeah, it's weird, but yeah, this one I guess is just a put it in the TVM solver. So, which I hate because
Okay.
there's a lot of things that don't seem like they should be in the TVM solver, but they are.
I mean, that's basically the TVM solver is basically just the financial calculator.
Yeah.
Yep. Okay, number 9. I'm sick of coupons. $1,000 bond with a coupon rate of 6.2% paid semi-annually has 8 years to maturity and a yield maturity of 8.3%. If the interest rate rises and the yield to maturity increases to 8.6%, what will happen to the price of the bond?
This is just us calculating the present value for both of them and then finding the difference.
And you use the price formula on this one, right? So it's face value divided by 1 plus year rate to maturity to the power of periods, right?
I'm looking at his solutions and he used the TVM solver. It's FV, PMT, periods to maturity, discount rate.
Okay.
And make sure that you divide the percentage for semi-annual. Oof, I'm tired.
Same.
Okay, that's 16.
I'm sorry, you guys. I missed that. Y'all still on question 9?
Yes, we are. So right now we're just solving for the present value of both of the things. That was
Wait, where did he get payment? Oh, coupon rate. Okay.
So the future value is the $1,000 bond, right?
right. I don't think we have a payment.
We do. It's the coupon rate. See, there's 3 percentages.
Hmm.
No.
One's the coupon rate, 6.2%.
0.2%.
Yeah, it's $50.50, right? Is that
For
right?
what?
$62.
The semi-annual payments are going to be 3,100.
What?
It's 6.2 divided by 2, which is going to be 3.1, which is so you change it to semi-annual. Multiply that by 1,000 because that's the price of the bond, and you get $3,100 payments.
Is that a period or a comma
Got it.
For what?
for payment? Like I'm looking at the solutions as well. It's not just $31.
Oh, is it per bond? So you divide it, so 3,100 divided by 1,000. Oh, it's because it's in percentages. Okay.
Hey,
Oh,
Noah, do you think you could give me the meeting ID so I can log in on my laptop?
yeah, it's $31. Okay.
Yeah, it's in the group me.
It's just the link. I didn't see the meeting ID. Like
Oh.
the number. Oh, here, let me just, never mind. I'll just go through group me.
I don't know how to find the meeting ID.
Oh, yeah, it's cool.
So you said to find the payment, you take the 6.2 divided by 6.2 divided by 2, get 3.1, multiply that by 1,000.
Yes. So it would be
0.031.
0.031 times 1,000. And sorry, I got it wrong the first time. It's $31 payments because it's you multiply it because that percentage, 3.1%, you have to change it to 0.031 to multiply by 1,000 to get that payment.
And so it's 16 years and then 8.3 and then do the same thing at 8.6.
Not 8.3, 4.15 because you have to divide it by 2 for semi-annual.
Okay. That was the question.
Gosh, there's so much.
Is the payment a negative number or positive?
Payment should be negative, right?
Oh no, it's a coupon payment to you. It's your bond.
then it's
Oh,
a positive
okay. So
number.
now I got the right answer. Okay.
Okay, yeah, there we go. Yeah.
But
Does-
don't get it
Does that make sense?
for the first one.
Hold on a second.
For the first one, I got $863.21.
Oh, for the
For-
first one, I got 878.99.
Me
That's what I
too.
got.
Yeah, that's what it says for the present.
Oh crap!
value.
Yeah. Never mind. I was looking at the wrong one.
Okay.
And then the other one was 863.22
That's
cents.
the one. Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, it would be the difference between that and
So
let's see,
15.77 raise.
falling
Why is it a
When-
fall?
because it's 8782863. Because the first one, remember, the first one you get is 878.99. Then
Mhm.
it falls to 863.21.
Mm-hmm.
I believe. Let me double check that. So I'm
That's
not.
what I got too.
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's decreasing.
Well, that's
Right.
stupid.
Yeah, I guess it would make sense because what is it asking for? It's asking for the price. Yeah, if your your interest is falling, your price would fall too. I think those are direct, I believe. But yeah, do y'all want to go over the TVM solver inputs, or are y'all good?
I'm good. I got mine figured out.
Yeah, now I'm chilling.
Awesome.
We have 6 minutes left. Okay.
Oh no.
Nice.
It's just kind of looming at the bottom of my screen. It's like time remaining. I'm like, okay. Number 10.
We're getting somewhere.
I was gonna say at the current rate, we're getting at least 3 to 4 questions every 40 minutes, so we're doing something. The company
Okay.
issues a 10-year, $1,000 face value bond at par with a coupon rate of 6.7% paid semi-annually. The year to maturity at the beginning of the 3rd year of the bond with 8 years left to maturity is 8.1%. What is the percentage change in the price of the bond over the past 2 years? So you just calculate for the payment. Oh no, you just need to find what the present value is and then find the difference between $1,000 and that.
Oh, okay.
It should be, because it says it's at par, so it should be bought face value $1,000, bought at $1,000. After 2 years, it's got an 8.1% maturity. So yeah, you should do 16. Okay.
Oh, right. It's paid semi-annually. So then would it be 8.1 divided by 2?
Yeah. But you got to find payments first.
For what?
So, because it's a 10-year $1,000 face value bond at par, because it's got the coupon rate of 6.7%. You have to find what the payments are, so you can input that for the second equation at the 16. Pardon me, the 16 with the
Oh.
8.1 divided by 2.
Okay, I got
value.
it.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Thank you.
Because
Oh.
future value should be 1,000.
There's like a super easy formula for some reason.
Oh, what is it?
It's,
Yeah.
It is, you find the difference between the two prices. One is 1,000, one is 918.73, and you divide it by 1,000, and that's the difference. Where does 918.73 come from, though? Let me find that. That should be the price. Did y'all get that for present value?
Hold on, I'm getting there.
Okay.
I thought the present value was the face value.
No, that's the future value.
Yeah.
Future value.
Oh. Well, the current payments are 35.91. Don't know what to do with that.
Multiply it by 2, take it out of the 1,000. That should get you your present value then, right?
Why does it just say the new price would be this, and it doesn't say how he got there?
Are you looking at his solutions?
Yes. Why didn't we go over this at all today?
Right?
How much did you say it was, Jonathan? For
How much was what?
the second price.
The new price should be $918.73.
Did you get there?
No, because I got $30 something cents as the payments. I thought if you multiplied that by 2, no, that's wrong. Because it's a 1-year difference. So the payments are 30. Hold on. Sorry. I'm going through it all in my head.
Oh, I did the, oh God.
Oh, I so don't have this at all.
It's not just you, Abby. No worries.
Thank you.
All of us. She's a 10-year, 10,000.
Did anyone find this one on Quizlet?
Oh, I got it. Okay.
You sounded way too happy about that.
No, he sounded the right amount of happy.
That
Right.
was annoying me. Okay, so your future value, if you're in your TVM solver, is 1,000 because that's what we know as the face value.
Right.
The payment is 33.5. That's going to be, you see, you have your 6.7%. You
Yes.
divide that by 2 because it's semi-annually, so that's what 3.35.
Yes.
So you multiply 0.0335 times 1,000, and that gives you $33.05 as your coupon.
Wait, slow down.
Okay.
The present value is 0, right?
The present value, yeah, you're solving for the present value, so you don't do anything with that right now.
Wait, but how would you find the payment without the present value?
So we took the
Because you multiply it by
semi-annual
future value.
percentage. So we took the $1,000, multiplied it by 0.0335, because that is the coupon rate, divided by 2 in a regular number form, a whole number form.
To find your
I
payments
don't
with a
know how that
bond,
works for that being the payment rate, but
it's because, so it's saying you have $1,000 face value bond. When you have, the face value of the bond is what you use to calculate your coupon payment. So if you have 6.7% coupon rate, that means it's 6.7% of 1,000. That's what your coupon payments are, what they're going to pay you in coupons. But since we're doing semi-annually, you divide that by 2.
So for the I, it equals 3.35.
The I should be 4.05 because that's the yield to maturity. Because your interest is also your yield to maturity, so that's 8.1 divided by 2. Yeah. And then your number of periods is going to be 16 because what we're doing for this price is we're calculating the second part. And since there's only 8 years left to maturity, and since it's semi-annual, multiply that by 2, and it's 16.
Wait, okay, I'm sorry. I'm still trying to figure out how we figured out